How to cancel a Game Pass on Xbox. This WikiHow teaches you how to cancel your Xbox Game Pass subscription using an internet browser. You can use a phone, computer, or your Xbox console. Steps. 1. Open an internet browser. You can use a phone, computer, or your Xbox browser. 2. Go to the Microsoft account page in your browser. Type account.microsoft.com web link into the address bar, and hit the Go button. If you're not automatically logged in, click the Sign In button on the top right, and sign into your Microsoft account. 3. Click the Services and Subscriptions tab at the top. This page shows all your current subscriptions connected to your Microsoft account, including Xbox Game Pass. 4. Click the Manage button next to Xbox Game Pass. This will expand your subscription options. 5. Click the Cancel button. You can find it in the Payment Settings section. This option will immediately cancel your Game Pass. Alternatively, you can select Turn Off Auto Renew. This way, you can use your Game Pass until the end of your current billing period. 6. Click Confirm Cancellation in the confirmation pop-up. This will confirm your action, and immediately cancel your Xbox Game Pass subscription. Quick summary. 1. Open the Microsoft account page in a browser. 2. Sign into your Microsoft account. 3. Click the Services and Subscriptions tab. 4. Click Manage next to Xbox Game Pass. 5. Click Cancel or Turn Off Auto Renew. 6. Click Confirm Cancellation.